Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning part analysis video on Tuesday 24th of April with me, Japan Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold. I find this gold chart really interesting actually. We've had three strong bear candles in a row, but that support at 1321 held up. Now that I find is interesting because basically gold is range bound at the moment, and what we've seen is just a little correction within the range. 40 seems to be a level that on the RSI that's held up. MACD lines ticked marginally lower, but yeah, holding up above neutral. And the stochastics, well, yes, they are sort of reflective of this very near-term momentum shift to the negative side, but it'd be interesting to see if again they start to sort of bottom out around that 20 mark. So yeah, for now I'm taking this as still a range play, and a tight range play as well, because you sort of tightened between sort of 1321 I suppose and 1356 now. Gold is holding up, hasn't broken down yet, and on the forex majors you've seen some key breaks on the Kiwi dollar, on dollar yen, things like that. So the fact that gold is holding up pretty well I think is very interesting. So with that in mind, let's have a look at the hourly chart, but you do have this downtrend intact of the last few days, but that downtrend is now being tested. You've got the initial resistance of 1330, sort of 1333 was the 1333.50 was the low, but look at that, sort of around 1333, 1335 seems to be a bit of a pivot area, doesn't it? And then you're sort of looking up at the sort of 1345 area from these couple of old highs here, bit of a pivot area. So I mean there is overhead supply between 1335 and 1355 really, and it'll be interesting to see how much of that takes the gold price and starts to see any sort of recovery failing. But you do have a bit of a turnaround at play in these hourly indicators. See if that MACD can continue to recover. RSI sort of up at 45.50, and as I said, that downtrend is now sort of being tested. So is this gold on the brink of a turnaround once again? Remains a range play there, doesn't it? So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.